Hi, hello children, how are you all? Welcome back to my class. So in this class we are going to start your new lesson of maths, that is measurement of volume. So open page number 57. Page number 57, chapter number 13, measurement of volume. So children, first let us know what is this volume means. Volume is nothing but the quantity of liquid in a container. So the quantity of liquid in a container is called the volume of the liquid. Okay, so there are two standard units of volume. The first one is milliliter and liter. Okay, milliliter is, here you can see milliliter and liter. Milliliter is used to measure small quantity of liquids. Milliliter is used to measure small quantity of liquid, whereas this liter is used to measure large quantity of liquid. Understood children, what is milliliter and liter? And we'll come across one more new word here in this lesson, that is capacity. Capacity is nothing but the quantity of liquid a container holds is called the capacity of that container. Okay, capacity is nothing but the quantity of liquid a container holds is called the capacity of this container. Okay, understood what is capacity, what is volume, and the standard unit of measuring volume? Yes. So children, here in our daily life we purchase a milk. Isn't it? We purchase a milk, and you might have observed that the container used by milk vendors to measure the milk is, some are smaller and some are bigger capacity. Yes, they are having the measuring containers which are having some smaller and some bigger capacity. So children, this is the kind of the containers here you can see which is used by the shopkeepers. Yes, sorry, not shopkeeper, milk vendors. These are the type of containers which is used by the milk vendors to measure the milk. And here these are the type of the, these are also type of the measuring containers which is used by persons who sells the kerosene. You might have seen there. Yes, okay. So children, as I told you that the standard unit of measuring volume is liter and milliliter. Yes, liter and milliliter. Isn't it? So, liter it is used to measure the large quantity of liquid. Milliliter is used to measure the small quantity of liquid. Isn't it? So, this symbol of liter is L, small l. Okay, and the symbol of milliliter is small m and small l. This is a symbol of liter and this is a symbol of milliliter. Okay children, here you can see, here we are having two containers. Isn't it? This is of 1 liter. The capacity of this container is 1 liter. The capacity of this container is 1 liter. Capacity means what? The quantity of liquid a container hold is called the capacity of that container. So, the capacity of this container is 1 liter, whereas the capacity of this container is 5 liter. It holds 1 liter of liquid and it holds 5 liter of liquid. Understood children? So, this is called the capacity of a liquid. Okay. So children, here we are having some of the different containers used to measure the quantity of liquid. So you can see it is a 1000 ml, 500 ml, 200 ml, 100 ml and 50 ml. ml means what? Milliliter. And here it is 1000 ml, 500 ml, 200 ml, 100 ml and 50 ml. Isn't it? So children, here 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Children, you have to remember this very carefully. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, not 100. Okay, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 1000 milliliter altogether form a 1 liter. Okay, so 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. You have to remember this, children. Okay. Now children, come to the page number 60 to convert liter into milliliter. Okay. Now let us see how to convert liter into milliliter. Liter is used to measure large quantity. Milliliter is smaller than the liter, which is used to measure small quantity of liquid. Okay. Let us see how to convert liter into milliliter. So to convert liter to milliliter, multiply by how much? Multiply by 1000, not 100. Okay, so because 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, so to convert liter into milliliter, you have to multiply by 1000. Okay, so let us take one example here. 2 liter. Okay, so let us convert it. As you know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, isn't it? So here 2 into, to convert, what we have to do? Yes, you have to multiply by 1000. So 2 into 1000. So 2 into 1000 is equal to 200, 200, 200, 2 ones are 2. You already know how to do multiplication, isn't it, children? Okay, so it is 2000 ml, means milliliter. Okay, let us take one more example. We'll take 8 liter. How you are going to convert it? Yes, 8 liter is equal to 8 into 1000 milliliter. It is milliliter because you are converting, isn't it? You are converting liter into milliliter. So 8 into 1000. So 800, 800, 800, 8 ones are 8. So 8000 ml means 8000 milliliter. Understood, children? Now here there is a one more example. So here, can you see this one? Yes. 3 liter, 200 milliliter. You have to convert this into milliliter. What you are going to do? You have done in the case of weight and length. Do you remember? Yes. So see here, first you have to convert this liter into milliliter. So let us convert 3 into 1000. So 300, 300, 300, 3 ones are 3. It is 3000 ml. First you have to convert this one. Then go to this 200 ml because it is already in the form of milliliter. So you no need to convert it. So here we got the answer 3000 ml. So 3000 ml plus you have to add this 20 here now. You know how to keep the numbers. I mean how to arrange the numbers. Isn't it? First you have to arrange from the unit 10, 100, 1000. Isn't it? Okay. So let us add it. ml will write as it is. Next 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 2, 2, 0. Here nothing is there means 0. So 0 will take down and 3 as it is. So 3020. 3020 ml means milliliter. This is the answer. Understood, children? Okay, now come to the exercise part. Come to the page number 60, exercise 13.1. Write the suitable unit of measurement used in the situations given below. So here you have to write the suitable measurements for this given statements here, means given situations, whether it is suitable for liter or milliliter. Okay, so first we'll start from the kerosene. Kerosene in a drum. Drum means it is a large quantity. Means which unit we have to use here? Which measurement of unit? Yes, it is liter. For large quantity we have to use liter. Next, milk in a cup. Milk in a cup. It is large quantity or small quantity? Yes, small. Cup. Milk of cup. Only cup. So, we'll write milliliter. Next, bottle of ink. Bottle of ink. Yes, very good. Milliliter, because it is a very less quantity. Next, water in a bucket. Water in a bucket. Is it a large quantity of liquid or a small quantity of liquid? Water in a bucket. Yes, it's a large. So, we'll write liter. You might have heard, right, in your home that 5 liter of bucket, 3 liter of bucket, 2 liter of bucket. 2 liter water of bucket. Okay. Syrup in a bottle. Syrup in a small bottle. So, yes, milliliter. Milliliter. Okay. So, now children, come to the page number 61. Convert the following liter measurements to milliliter. Here you have to convert into liter to milliliter. 3L. Means how you are going to convert it? 3L. So, 3 into 1000. So, 300, 300, 300, 3 ones are 3. So, it is 3000 ml. So, 3 liter is nothing but 3000 milliliter. Next, 7L means 7 into 1000. So, 7 into 1000. Just do it. 700, 700, 700, 7 ones are 7. So, 7000 ml. Next, 2 liter 500 milliliter. 2 liter 500 milliliter. How you are going to do it? Yes, you have to add this milliliter. First you have to convert this 2 liter into milliliter. Then you have to add the answer with the 500. Okay. So, we'll do here 2 liter 500 milliliter. First you have to convert this one. It is 2 into 1000. 200, 200, 200, 2 ones are 2. Then 2000 ml. Then you have to add this 500 to this. Okay. 2000 plus 500. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5. 2, nothing is there means just take it down. So, 2500 ml. So, the answer is 2500 ml. Understood, children? Okay, we'll write here 2500 ml. Means milliliter. In this way, you try to do this fourth one. Okay, it is similar to that of the third one. Next is match the quantity of liquid in column A with column B and write the answers in the blank space provided. So, here are the questions. Here are the right answers for that. So, you have to write the correct answer over here. Okay. First one is 4 liter. Which is the right answer for 4 liter here? 4 liter. Here in the form of liter, you have to convert into milliliter. See here ml are there. Means you have to convert all these into milliliter. You will get the answer. So 4 liter. 4 into 1000. Yes. So here we'll do here 4L means 4 into 1000. 400, 400, 400, 4 ones are 4. So it is 4000 milliliter. So where is 4000 milliliter here? Here it is there. C. Right. So we'll write here C. 4000 milliliter. Okay. Next is 9 liter. 9 into 1000. So it will become 9000 milliliter. So where is the 9000? Here. So D is the right answer. So we'll write D. 9000 milliliter. Okay. Next. 1 liter 250 ml. You have to convert first 1 liter into milliliter. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 1000 plus 250. Add it. 1000 plus 250. You will get the answer. 0 plus 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 2, 2. 1 is 1. So 1250 ml. So where is 1250 ml? Here. So E is the right answer for third. 1250 ml. So children, in this way you just do fourth and fifth one and write the answers here. Okay. Now children, will move ahead with another topic of this lesson, that is to convert milliliter into liter. Okay. So to convert milliliter into liter. So children, to convert milliliter into liter, liter, you have to divide it by 1000. Okay, divide by 1000. So to convert liter into milliliter, what we have done? We multiplied. From bigger to smaller, you have to multiply. From smaller to bigger, you have to divide. Liter is a bigger one as compared to the milliliter. Liter is bigger and milliliter is smaller. Isn't it? This is bigger and this is smaller. So to convert bigger to smaller, you have to multiply. Okay. And to convert smaller to bigger, you have to divide. You have to divide. Understood, children? Okay. So let us take one example here. We'll take 2000 milliliter. 2000 milliliter. We have to convert this milliliter into liter. Okay. So what you have to do? Yes, divided by 1000. You have to divide it by 1000. So how to divide? So we'll take this 2000 as it is, divided by this 1000 we'll take below. This is numerator and this is denominator, isn't it? Now let us divide it. First you have to remove 1 0 from the denominator, then 1 from the numerator, 1 from the denominator, 1 from the numerator, 1 from the denominator, 1 from the numerator. So now what is the answer here? You can't divide because it is 1 and it is 2. You can't, isn't it? So here 1, 2. So 2 divided by 1. 2 divided by 1 is nothing but the 2. So what is the answer here? 2 liter. Understood, children? So let us take one more example. 8000 milliliter. Now let's convert it. 8000 divided by 1000. So we'll cut 1 0 from the denominator and 1 from the numerator, 1 from the denominator, 1 from the numerator, 1 from the denominator and 1 from the numerator. What is the answer here? 8 by 1. 8 by 1 is nothing but the 8. 8 by 1 is nothing but the 8. So 8 liter. What is the answer here? 8 liter. Understood, children? Now children, come to the page number 62. Exercise part 13.2. Convert to liter. Here they have given milliliter. You have to convert into liter. 5000 milliliter. Okay. So 5000 milliliter. So 5000 divided by 1000. So 1 from the denominator, 1 from numerator, 1 0 from the denominator, 1 from the numerator, 1 0 from the denominator and 1 0 from the numerator. What's the answer here? 5 by 1 means 5. 5 liter. So we'll write here 5 liter. Next is 9000. Same thing. You have to apply the same method. 9000 ml means 9000 divided by 1000. 1 0 from the denominator, 1 from the numerator, 1 from the denominator and 1 from the numerator, 1 0 from the denominator and 1 0 from the numerator. What is the answer here? 9 by 1 means 9. 9 liter. We will write here 9 liter. Okay, you just do the third one. Next is second. Fill up the blanks with suitable words. 7250 ml is equal to dash liter plus dash milliliter. So here they have given both. They have given milliliter. You have to convert first into liter. Then you have to write the milliliter also. How? I will show you. Let us take this one example. 7250 ml. So we'll write here 7250 ml. Okay. So first we'll write the liter. So children, here last number. Okay. What is the place value of this last number? Unit, 10, 100, 1000. So 1000. So we'll take this 7000 divided by 1000. First we have to convert this one into liter. So 0, 0 and this 0 and this 0 and this 0 and this 0. What's the answer now? 7 by 1 means it is 7 liter. Now what remains here? 250 means it is milliliter. So plus 250 milliliter. So when you add this 7 liter plus 250 milliliter, you will get the answer 7250 milliliter. Isn't it? So first you have to convert this liter into milliliter means 7,000. 7 into 1000, 7,000 plus 250 ml. So let's add it. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 2, 2, 7 is 7. Just because of verification I am doing here. Okay. So see here, what's the answer here? 7,250 ml. So 7,250 ml means whatever we have done, it is correct. Understood? So we'll take another example. First we'll write this one here. Okay. So what's the answer here? 7 liter, 250 ml. Okay. So next is 3000 ml. So we'll take this 3000 ml. First we'll take this 3. What is the place value of 3? Unit 10, 100, 1000. So it is 3000. So we'll take this 3000. First we'll convert into liter. 3000 divided by 1000. So this 0 and this 0. 0, 1 0 from the denominator, 1 from the numerator, 1 from the denominator, and 1 from the numerator. What's the answer here? 3 by 1 means it is 3. Yes. So 3 liter plus here 0 plus 0 plus 0. Sorry, 0 0 0. So 0 0 0 ml. Okay. So what is the answer here? 3 liter 0 0 0 ml. So children, easy way I will show you here. You can see here, what is the place value of 7 here? It is 1000. So directly you can write here 7, this one, last one, 7 liter plus what remains here? 025. So 025 milliliter. Okay. Understood children? So children, you have learned what is volume, what is capacity, then what is liter, what is milliliter. Then you have learned how to convert liter into milliliter, then how to convert milliliter into liter. Hope you understood all the concepts very well children. Okay.